Hal, what's the atmosphere in there now? And everyone's on a lunch break. And what's going on with these readbacks?
Talk to me.
I haven't heard about a readback. I checked in with Lee Ross, our producer, down on the 9th floor just a few minutes ago. He told me that they had a request for a short break, ran about 10 minutes a while ago, and that's the only thing as far as anything that I'm aware of at this point. Again, this is the media center. This is where television stations and media from radio and other forms are all gathered doing the job. This right here is the seal of California above Judge Pastor's bench. This is in his courtroom. If we were to bring the camera out, if we could, you'd see the courtroom, and off to the right is the jury room. And that's where 12 people right now are trying to make a decision, 7 men, 5 women, and they're doing what I guess we're going to be doing here, which is kind of sitting around and talking. Paul Gellar, Anthony Falangetti. If you were a fly on the wall in there, what would you be listening for?
Well, I think they're going through the physical evidence. I think they're going to be asking for some exhibits to examine. And I think, if they're struggling over anything, it's going to be the issue of causation, and that really is what this case will come down to from a confusion standpoint.
From a confusion. Now, we have to keep this short. We only have a short period of time here. But look, if this doesn't go out today, we get to Monday, we get to Tuesday. What do we? The longer it goes.
I think the longer it goes, the more chance that Conrad Murray is hoping for that hung jury. The longer it goes, that means somebody in there is holding out. I suspect if there's not a holdout, we'll get a verdict no later than Monday.
A jury of 4 person was chosen this morning. It's that person's responsibility to keep things in order, keep the discussion going.
They're going to keep some organization to the discussion, try to keep everyone focused to whatever issue they may be struggling with. And I agree with Anthony. I think that we're probably going to hear something, if not by the end of the day today, on Monday.
Okay, before we throw it back to Jeff and Maria, any final thoughts?
If Conrad Murray is praying, you better pray for a hung jury, because I suspect that that's as good as he's going to find.
All right, Jeff, Maria, we'll throw it back to you in the studio.
Oh, hung jury.